Guys, in this video we talk about ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra versus RedMagic 9 Pro Plus. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $700, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices, the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 229 gram and the RedMagic ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 246 gram. The build of these devices, the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both devices dual SIM. The display of these devices, the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 1 billion color, and the same ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same and the resolution of the device is same, 1116 by 2480, and the PPI density is also same, 400. The both device come with refresh rate 120Hz and the screen to body ratio is same. The both device come with Gorilla Glass Plus 2 protection, and the display brightness, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1500 nits peak brightness, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 1600 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The RedMagic 9, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 50 triple camera setup, main sensor 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto. It's a record 8K 30fps video. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro. It's also record 8K 30fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices, the both devices come with under display 16 megapixel selfie camera. The platform, the both devices come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. And the GPU of the devices, the both devices come with Adreno 750 and based on Android 14. The memory of the devices, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 8GB and 12GB and 24GB of RAM, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the both devices have 256GB and 512GB and 1TB of storage, and not any SD card supported. The battery of these devices, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6000 mAh battery and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 5500 mAh battery. And the charging of these devices, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 80 watt fast charging and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 165 watt fast charging. The both devices do not have any wireless charging and it comes with 5G network supported. Common and feature is same in both devices. The result of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra got 24 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus got 23 points.